Namaste. I love nature. Nature gives us everything: food, water, oxygen, etc. We should take care of nature and respect nature. We should not cut trees, not kill animals, and not pollute nature. In a forest called Mole, there are 3 projects happening: double tracking of a railway, doubling of a highway, and an electricity substation. Over 70,000 trees are being cut down. This should not happen. I myself am going to the protest to save Mole and save Goa. The next issue is in Talegaon, Goa. The fields are being filled for construction of a panchayat ghar, but we already have a panchayat ghar and we don't need another one. So I've been protesting even for that and all other issues. So we should take care of nature and save nature and care for nature. Thank you.